Water is a natural resource and its supply is finite. Therefore, to preserve our environment and minimize the effect of drought, it is necessary to conserve water. He takes short showers. Do not keep tap water running when you washing our dishes. Don't waste too much of water while flushing. It is a great number of resources to get flush and clean water delivered to your house. So please don't waste it and use wisely. Thank you.
Good morning, respected sisters, teachers, and my friends. I am Menino Ramirez from 2nd standard. I would like to share my thoughts about saving environment. What is environment, my friends? I believe it's a free gift from God to us. It is the surrounding we live, the food we eat, the water we drink, the soil we use, and the air we breathe. Plants and animals are also part of environment. There are many reasons which affects our environment. Growing population affects our environment. Trees are cut down for many reasons. Water is wasted and misused. Waste is thrown in public places. Increasing number of private vehicles causes air pollution. Factory waste thrown in rivers and seas causes water pollution. So it is our duty to keep our environment clean and safe. So friends, we should not waste water. We should use public vehicles more than private vehicles. We should use recycled products to avoid unwanted waste. We should plant more and more trees to purify the air and provide oxygen for life. So friends, let us all pledge to keep our environment clean and healthy. Thank you.
Care for environment. Good morning, teachers, principal, and my dear friends. My name is Donovan Glenn D'Souza from Standard 3rd. I am going to tell you how to care for environment. Environment means everything around us. Animal, plant, tree, sea, and the sky. Water is basic need for our living. We need clean water to drink, wash clothes and wash utensils. Same way, fishes also need clean water to live. We should not throw plastic or any other sharp object in the sea because fish or any other living thing can get harmed with it. Plastic once in the ocean never comes back because fish and turtles choke on it. We should plant more trees as they give us oxygen and make our surrounding look beautiful. There are many trees cut down due to uses for it, like building houses, making clean bags and burning firewood. We should plant more trees. As you can see, the weather is getting hot, each passing year. We all should at least plant one tree each. But not kill birds or put them in the cage. There are many birds dying through radioactive rays that are sent through the air. Birds are sensitive to magnetic radiation. We, along with other living things, our environment. We should take care of our nature. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Today, I, Newton Kinney from Standard 3rd, is going to say few words about care for environment. Improving and maintaining the environment is becoming an important task every day of our life. Due to ignorance and few carelessness, this important task is quickly becoming a critical one. Our environment is a surrounding area and something that sustains us. Our environment shields us and helps us to grow into individual beings. Caring our environment is needed for sustaining humanity because without a clean environment, none of us will survive. Our environment has been stealed by people for its natural resources. If mankind doesn't act now, there will be deadly effects in the future. People need to realize that in order to survive as a species, we need to care for our environment. People should care environment by keeping our surroundings clean. Avoid cutting trees, conserving water, and by planting more trees. Waste management is a powerful way of caring and protecting our environment. There must be proper disposal of waste. Most important, this would help to keep our surroundings clean and healthy. Harming the environment and causing pollution have caused global warming. Due to this, many human beings have died. Due to pollution and deforestation, the health of many people is poor. Conserving the environment would surely improve the health of many people. Environment is a precious gift on this planet. So, it's high time for us human beings to take right action towards saving and caring our environment from major environmental issues. Thank you.
Good morning, principal, teachers and friends. Today I am going to speak few lines on Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. Environment means any surrounding or condition in which person, animal or plant live. This day is celebrated to spread awareness about safety of environment. First Environment Day is celebrated in 1974 with the theme of Only One Earth. Every year, Environment Day is celebrated with new theme. This year theme is ecosystem restoration. Human life is highly dependent on environment, so we all should take necessary steps to protect our environment. Water pollution, air pollution and land pollution are major issues of environment. Today let's pledge to plant more trees and minimize use of plastic and save natural resources to protect our environment. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all presents here. Today I am Montina Kinney from Standard 4 would like to speak few words on care for environment. We all are aware of how the environment is important to us. We cannot afford to harm the environment any longer. In today's modern world, our planet Earth is affected significantly. However, if we want to live in harmony with nature, We cannot put our entire pressure on environment. Living beings for their survival depend completely on the natural and man-made environment. It is impossible to live without resources that the environment provides. In such situation, it becomes critical to save and keep Mother's nature from getting overexploited due to increasing population. We all know factors like overpopulation, deforestation, etc. are responsible for environmental destruction. Small steps taken by us can go a long way. We must try to use as much public transport as possible to protect the air we breathe. It is important that we throw garbage in a right bin so that a proper disposal of waste can be done. We need to make efforts in a right direction so that we can save and care our natural resources. And some ways are use renewable energy, avoid plastic, plant more trees, etc. Last but not the least, environment offers so much to us. So my dear friends, now it is our duty to save and care our environment. Thank you. Good morning to our respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. I am here today to give a short speech on the care for the environment. Our environment consists of natural resources like soil, water and air. Animals and plants are also the parts of the environment. Environment is beautifully crafted by God and gifted to all of us living on earth. Fresh air, pure water, fertile soil, clean surroundings are the sign of good and healthy environment. But day by day, environment is getting affected due to problems like pollution of air, water and soil. Deforestation is also the major cause because which environment is danger. Use of plastic damage our environment. Also due to increasing human population, environment is getting affected adversely. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are causing our damage to the environment. Necessary steps should be taken by all of us so that environment can be saved. We need to plant more and more trees so that air quality improves. Use of plastic should be minimized. Both paper and plastic should be strictly recycled. We all should keep our environment clean. Lots of animals and trees are getting extinct due to deforestation and increasing humans. There should be ban on letting industrial wastewater in the ocean. We pay attention in this direction and take necessary action. All such steps will be helpful to save our environment. Saving our environment is in our hands. It is only possible when each and every one of us take responsibility of it. Let us pledge to save our environment and keep it clean and healthy. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you.
A very good morning to my respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Today, I, Master Kian Sachin Kashkar, studying in Standard 4th, would like to share my opinion about our care for environment. Our environment consists of all living beings as well as their surroundings. It is a source of life for everyone. Our needs for food, water, shelter and other things depends on the environment around us. There must be a balanced natural cycle that exists between the environment and the lives of human beings, plants and animals. Human society is playing a vital role in regenerating the natural environment. All the human action in this modern world directly impact the ecosystem. Increasing demand for technology and industries
is another important factor. There are many harmful effects of human activities on the environment. The biggest reason that make our environment untidy is due to the harmful gases which are present in the air itself. Due to all human activities, our planet has been damaged. Therefore, it is our duty and responsibility to lower the loss. Every individual can play a significant role in this solution. For example, we should take a pledge to say no to plastic. Instead of it, we may make use of eco-friendly substitutes like paper and cloth bags. The government of every country must make strict laws for industries. Those are releasing the toxic waste and proper waste management. The awareness program should be organized to encourage citizens to use public transport as much as possible. So everyone must do plantation of trees. The less use of private vehicles will reduce the outflow of harmful gases, as well as it will save fuel resources. Last but not the least, nature is might, nature is strong, nature is beauty. Nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true. Nature is you, nature is me. Nature is you, nature is me. Nature will forever be free from everything. Nature will forever be free from everything. Thank you.